Thousands of university, college, and high school learners are confronted with common obstacles in lab classes across the globe. Our solution? myVRscope, where students and faculty conduct microscopy lab activities on demand using VR-supported AI. To accomplish this, myVRscope features a virtual 3D photorealistic compound light microscope that is fully articulated like its physical counterpart. In Go or Quest, learners have unlimited practice with a photorealistic microscope to complete any number of instructor-created labs. Students love myVRscope's immersive approach to learning and that their lab assignments and procedures are delivered in the simulation. They can focus, annotate, take a picture, answer questions, or watch a video about their specimen to complete the varied assessments listed in their lab journal. For assistance, students rely on Dr. Beaker, our AI tutor. They can explore our museum tour to discover the fascinating evolution of microscopy technology. Our cloud-based dashboard helps make myVRscope a seamless addition to any institution. Learners can check the results and monitor their performance. Instructors can create classes, manage student progress, engagement and remediation, and assess students through a variety of modalities. The instructor-created labs are limited only by imagination. All of these features make it possible for institutions to manage entire programs through this powerful tool. And there's a standalone 3D simulation for learners who don't have access to VR. Extensive playtesting and implementations have proven myVRscope's efficacy. Learners are overwhelmingly positive about their experiences. Students, instructors, and administrators are delighted with myVRscope. Contact us to bring the power of myVRscope to your institution.